हाय फ्रेंड्स, हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल एग्जाम गुरु हम में आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज पार्ट जीके का पार्ट 2 स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, स्क्यूबा ड्राइवर आर एट रिस्क ड्यू टू हाई concentration of dissolved gases while breathing air at high pressure underwater. The tank used by scuba divers are filled with option A, air dilute with helium is the correct answer. Option A, air dilute with helium is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Which one of the following is not needed in nuclear fusion reaction? Option C, accelerator. Option C, accelerator इसका कोई जरूरत नहीं होता. When item or jewelry made of metals such as copper or nickels are placed in a solution having a salt of gold, a thin film of gold is deposited by. Thin film of gold is deposited by. Option C, passing an electric current. Passing an electric current is the correct answer. Heavy water implies option C, deuterium water. इसका D2O. Option C is the correct answer. Which of the following is a seen smelling agent added to LPG cylinder to help detect of gases leakage? Option B, thioethanol. Option B is the thioethanol is the correct answer. A body is charged negatively. It implies that. Option B, it has acquired some electron from outside. Option B is the correct answer. Which one among the following metals is used for making boats because it does not corroded by seawater? Option D, titanium. Option D is the correct answer. Contact lens are made from. Option C, leaf side. Option C, leaf side is the correct answer. Water is a gold coolant and is used to cool the engines of car, buses, truck, etc. It is because water has a option A high specific heat. वाटर का हाई स्पेसिफिक हीट के लिए इंजन ऑफ कार्स, बसेस और ट्रक में यूज होता है. इन ए फ्री एक्सपांशन फोर्सेस क्या होता है? ऑप्शन वर्क डन इज जीरो. फ्री एक्सपांशन फोर्सेस में वर्क डन जीरो होता है. और ऑप्शन बी हीट ट्रांसफर इज जीरो. हीट ट्रांसफर भी जीरो होता है. इसलिए ऑप्शन सी बोथ ए एंड बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Isotonic process is one of which? Option C, no mechanical work done is done by the system. इसमें कोई मैकेनिकल वर्क नहीं होता है. आइसोथेरिक. एंट्रोपी चेंज डिपेंड अपॉन. ऑप्शन ए हीट ट्रांसफर. एंट्रोपी चेंज होता है हीट ट्रांसफर के लिए. Raw mango cereal found pickled in brine. The phenomenon is associated with. Option B, osmosis. Option B, osmosis is the correct answer. If an object having mass of 1 kg is subjected to a force of 1 Newton, it moves with. Option C is the correct answer. 1 meter per second square. According to second law of motion, F equal to ma. यहाँ पर मास इक्वल टू 1 kg, m इक्वल टू 1 kg and acceleration a, then force equal to 1, then a equal to 1 by 1 equal to 1 meter per second square is the correct answer. So option C is the correct answer. An athlete drive of a high springboard can perform a variety of exercise in the air before entering the water below. Which one of the following parameters will remain constant during the fall? ऑप्शन डी एथलेटिक एंगुलर मोमेंटम, एथलेटिक का एंगुलर मोमेंटम जो है वो कांस्टेंट होता है। ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। द प्रेशर एक्सर्ट ऑन द ग्राउंड बाय ए मैन इज ग्रेटेस्ट व्हेन, ऑप्शन बी when the man when the stand on the toe of 1 feet. Option B is the correct answer. Pressure equal to force per area, कॉन्टैक्ट ऑफ एरिया जितना कम होगा प्रेशर उतना ही ज़्यादा होगा। सो ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। ए पैसेंजर इज मूविंग ट्रेन tosses a 5 rupee coin. If the coin fall behind him, then the train must be moving with a uniform acceleration. Option A must be moving with a uniform acceleration. Option A is the correct answer. Article of the Constitution of India gives an election commission the power to supervise election of the parliament and state legislature. 342. Option B is the option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. 342. Option C is the correct answer. Who among the following succeeded to Mughal throne in the year 1556? Option B Akbar. Option B Akbar is the correct answer. The Khajuraho temple are located in the state of option A मध्य प्रदेश, ऑप्शन ए मध्य प्रदेश। ये कौन शासक का डिग्री में हुआ था? चांदेला, CHANDELA, चांदेला। One of the prominent Buddhist structure in India, Stupa at Sarnath, was constructed by the great Maurya king Ashok. Option B Dhamek. Option B Dhamek is the correct answer. Mithun, a cattle breed is found in option B अरुणाचल प्रदेश। एक cattle breed टाइप ऑफ cattle breed है, वो कहाँ पे पाए जाते हैं? अरुणाचल प्रदेश में। Highest railway station in India is located in the state of option A West Bengal, जिसका नाम है घूम, GHUM, घूम। The leading light of Rama cult was Saint Point, who also wrote the poem Ramcharitamanas. Option C Tulsidas. Option C Tulsidas is the correct answer. Which of the following is the highest river in longest river in India? Option D Ganga. Option D Ganga is the correct answer. और widest होता है महानदी, महानदी। Which of the following subject of data set is associated with the study of concerning population and heredity? Option C demography. Option C demography is the correct answer. Rearing silkworm is known as option C sericulture. Option C sericulture is the correct answer. The study related to plant being used as vegetable is called olericulture. Option D olericulture is the correct answer. A device GM counter is used for measurement which of the following? Option C radioactivity. Option C radioactivity is the correct answer. Blue vitriol is another name of for which of the following? Option A copper sulfate. Copper sulfate is the correct answer. 1 picogram is equal to option C 10 to the power minus 12 gram. is the correct answer. Energy conservation means option D. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed. Option D is the correct answer according to first law of thermodynamics. If a person sitting in a lift, then when will he feel that high word get increased? When option A, when the elevator going upward expeditiously, or when the elevator going upward accelerate. Option A is the correct answer. Limbs of frog, lizard, bird and humans are example of option डी होमोलोगस मतलब इसका काम एक ही होता है. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.